GRT's massive breakout is just getting started, and this breakout is playing out after we saw a corrective move giving us a low below the 0.1885, and after getting that significant low we started to see higher prices breaking above resistance above the 0.2118, flipping that key area of resistance back into support. And the next key area of resistance that I'm now watching to see a break above lies above the 0.2325, and a break above that key area of resistance with a successful retest. Then I have my next target areas for GRT above the 0.25, and in today's video I will be sharing with you key areas of supports that we need to continue holding, and also give you my long-term price prediction for GRT. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I have said to you that the first possible scenario that is going to play out is that GRT is going to break above the 0.233525, and a break above that we can get a retest. Then I will have my first target area for that breakout back above the 0.25, and a break above the 0.25, then we can have the 0.27 as our next target areas to the upper side. And as we continue breaking above significant highs, there are high chances that we can also easily get above the 0.3 in the next coming days, provided that Bitcoin also continues to remain bullish. We also need to have in mind that since we have not managed to break above resistance at the 0.2325, we can get rejected at that key area of resistance, and if that is the case, then I will be watching for a short-term pullback to support on the 0.21, and as long as that continues to hold, expect another bounce back attempting a break above the 0.235, and if the breakout is a success, then continue expecting higher prices. But if by any chance we get rejected at this key area of resistance, then we see a pullback to the 0.21, and if by any chance we lose that key area of support, then watch for a reset of the lows that we made on the 18th of June below the 0.1885. That is the third scenario that we need to have in mind, and that is what I'm expecting on the short term here on the GRT chart. And jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price prediction analysis, and also give you reasons why I believe that GRT is still in its buy zones. Here on the GRT chart you can easily see that last year we were able to put in place the bear market lows below the 0.0795, and after getting those significant lows we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, giving us a high above the 0.4947, and after getting that high we started a bit of a pullback over here, and the minimum target areas, and using the Elliot wave structures we can term this movement to the upside as an Elliot wave count 1. So we can have these as a wave 1, then a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, and once we have a low in place in this wave 2, we can expect a massive bounce in that wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then a wave 5 in the bull market, giving us new highs. And the minimum target areas for the second wave can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows that we made on the 10th of September last year to the highs that we made this year, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78 as a maximum. And I can highlight that area here on the charts, and this is an area that we need to continue paying attention to, because as long as we are holding within this area, I'm expecting a massive bounce in this wave 3. But if by any chance we continue heading further down, losing the fib level 0.78, then the last line of support on the Fibonacci is the fib level 0.88, which perfectly lies above the 0.1294. And on losing this key area of support, then I will be expecting a total breakdown, giving us a reset of the bear market lows and that would mean a revisit of the lows that we made below the 0.0795 in the next coming months. So that is another possible scenario that we need to have in mind on the long term in case we lose significant key areas of support. And that is all for this video, and I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.